Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for sound effects or sound files, I have something to show you. I want to share this one website. Just search in Google Sound Searcher, and this is the first link that will show in your Google, and click this one and it will bring you to this website. All you have to do is type in the sound effects you're looking for. So let's try laugh. So after searching laugh, the search result to 132 sounds, you can preview all of them and you can download them if you like it. So let's try some of them. So let's try downloading one file. So I'll download this one, and that's it. It will download the file into an empty MP3 file. So that's it guys. If you want some sound effects for your YouTube videos, or you are searching for that sound effects that you want to use for your projects, you can try this website. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.